You're putting some power on this single amp. That's crazy. It's amazing. This single huge amp's pushing themselves like to their limits. This is crazy, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
Paul, 4X2315 on a Crossfire 16K.
Nice. That's a big box. Wow. Did you build this?
Yep.
Nice. What is your amp wire to?
Half on.
Half on. Okay. Do you know your tuning and box specs?
Yeah, tuning to 28. Can't remember exactly.
That's all right.
How many Qs?
What's your lithium and alternator power?
2 Singer 290s on a C-Max 90.
All right. Did you do any SPL burp test yet?
Yeah, a little bit. Just playing around with them.
Yeah. Having any issues with this? Yeah.
Yeah, I done broke it a few times.
Oh yeah.
I basically just keep tightening it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. What are these subwoofers rated at?
I believe they're pretty much 3K RMS.
3K. Okay. 3-inch or 4-inch coil?
3-inch.
3-inch. Nice. Like it. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. All right. Sure. All right. I'm surprised you haven't shattered this by now. That's crazy.
Well, I got tape on it.
I hold it a little bit, yeah. Is there a way I can see the back? Nice job. I'm sure the back's breaking. It is.
I got it duct tape on.
Oh, the whole thing is? Okay. Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah, let's not do that. Is it slot or air port? Slotted? How big is the size of the port? Okay. Just give you a size perspective. All right. You can smell them. Really? Is there, I'm gonna climb back a little bit. Are you okay with that? Yeah. Okay. Is it a bottom port or center? Center. Center. Okay. Oh, I see it. Got it on the. Nice. Give him a like. Great bass demo. This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have the Y Series NVX budget level 12-inch subwoofer to show you that comes in a 10, 12, or 15-inch sub size. It's rated at 800 watts RMS, 1600 watt peak power. It has a 15mm X-Max and 116-ounce double-stacked ferrite magnet with a 3-inch high-temperature copper voice coil aluminum former. Frequency range plays between 20 and 200 Hz, and of course it works in both sealed and ported applications. If you want to know more, check out links in the description.
Motherfucker. girl dog when she stimulated.
For me? One more song, yeah, man. All right, man. Yeah, one more. Girl dog when she stimulated. It's amazing this single huge amps pushing themselves like to their limits. This is crazy, man. I appreciate the demo, Paul. Yeah, man, I appreciate you. Nice work. Yeah, you're welcome, Paul. Appreciate it. Wow, dude. I'm surprised you haven't shattered this by now. That's crazy. Well, I got tape on it. I hold it a little bit, yeah. Appreciate the demo, man. Wow. All right, Paul, you have a good day. Give him a like. Great bass demo.